Alrighty. There we go. Alrighty, here we go. Okay. So I did like a wee bit of off-camera coding, but before you feel left out, didn't figure anything out. Which is rather unfortunate. Because this is giving me quite the headache. I didn't expect Blizzard here to be the one that kills me. If I'm being honest, it seemed rather simple. But I suppose it wasn't. So... yeah, there's not that many enchantments left to make. It's one of the last ones. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's one of the last 13 enchantments we need to make. Well, what should we do here then? Probably look into the projectile folder. And I'll need to figure out where they have the models for these things. I guess that worked. So I guess, let's see what happens if I just copy and paste this. To the icicle model. Okay, so it's never called. So it works, it's just not called. So I guess what we want to find out. Alright, we also want to make it extend entity renderer. Wait a minute. Maybe we want to be in icicle renderer. There we go. Let's just see what happens if I just take this entire thing. Because honestly, my current renderer obviously doesn't do the job. Yeah, what if we just leave all this and change this to, say, arrow renderer? Kinda doubt that'll work, but maybe it will. See what happens. It looks like it worked on every other one. Oh wait, no, I don't think it did work. I think all I did is confuse the shit out of it. It's trying to render itself on top of itself. Surely there has to be like a similar kind of entity out there. Something that behaves like an arrow but isn't. And is also a full like entity. What could it be? Man, I'm not super sure I know of anything that does that. I guess I just need to figure out how to rotate it. Or make it actually look the direction it's being shot at. Because that's priority number 1 right now. So after I get that done, then most of Blizzard is finished. That's a bit curious. They don't seem to be agreeing on the way they're supposed to be facing. That is quite strange. Well, what can I do here? Let's pull up Kelp and Joe's tutorial on that Rhino entity. Establish what the head is.
This is extremely
Lowe's knows when you need a
Shut
new
up.
device today, you want it at a great price. Shop deals on Samsung.
here. Highly recommended to check those out. Let's also add the damage, maybe 2 or something like that. And for the Rhino, for example, could be if you go into the actual entity. This is once again one of those tutorials where we'll go through the same classes multiple times because that's just how it's going to be, sadly. But that is okay. And now we can actually do the actual Rhino itself. So there's going to be the Rhino entity class right here, which will extend the thing. We should be able to find this is the idle animation. You can also copy it over from there. This and then this about half an hour.
Well, I think I can actually just steal the code. And then, yeah, entity, client. Yeah, Rhino model. Alright, so get rid of those. Goes in render. What? No, I'm really confused. There we go. Alright, maybe that'll work. Kinda doubt it, but maybe. Yo, thank you for the plug, Mega B. I appreciate it. Alright. Here we go. Please, please, please. Doesn't look like it's working. But then again, I don't think the direction they're facing is working anyway. They'll tend to face that direction. Probably because I did that. Alright, awesome. No, I hope it works. I really do. Alrighty. Yep, that's another failure right there. Damn it. Yeah, it's a bit frustrating. Don't really know why it's not working. But I'm pretty much obligated to finish this, so I'm stuck here for like, what, another 2 hours? Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. I mean, I guess the first thing I can do is make this 360. Kinda doubt that's gonna fix it, though. Oh. Man, I have no idea. Yeah, it's even private. Well, what if I make it? Well, that's not working either. Um. Not super sure why it doesn't work. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Hello, Hot Purple 7. And no, the problem is not that I can't determine the direction it's facing. The problem is that I can't get it to render the direction it's facing. Because right now it will turn. It just doesn't render it. Let's just look it up. Well, this is becoming rather unfortunate. Yeah, no, the model and block bench is facing north, but even then, it just always faces north is the problem. I can't find out how to rotate it, no matter how hard I try. Well, what do I do here? Entities just piss me off, dude. I can't figure a damn thing out. Sure. Let's do that. Let's see what happens when I do that. Nope, didn't work. Yeah, no, it's definitely a very yikes situation. Don't know why it's not working. But thank you, Mickey. This is quite the headache. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab an energy drink for this one. This is gonna give me... Oh, this is gonna suck. I'll be right back. Okay, so... Good night, Mega B. I hope so too. Alright, well, see ya. No? I seriously have no idea what to do here, honestly. It's, sure, look at... Get look angle. The hell is that gonna do? This is definitely a tough cookie. Whoops. I really don't know what to do here. When in doubt, check if other people have had this problem. Won't rotate. Alright, let's just try to rotate. Oh! Found something. Okay, so That's the code they have. Maybe I use pose stack. A wind cushion. Well, let's see what the working code they. Oh. Well, let's look at this one too. Wait, that same person made 2 posts? What the heck? Okay, so... Ugh, I wish I could copy and paste from that. Actually, I can probably, like... grab text from image. There. Okay, so after the end of that first parentheses where I want to take everything and then all the way down to the second parenthesis. Oh, that's weird. They kind of just decided to... Oh, there's definitely no perfect text extractor. But that's fine. So we just need to go into the Icicle renderer. Stealing people's code usually works pretty well. So let's just... There. Now we have the code. That's what they have. Let's format it real quick. Alright, so I think it goes just under the renderer thing. And then it goes right below the super.render. So let's just put that. I think this is P pose stack now. So we'll do just Shift F6. Yep. There we go. And then this needs to be this dot icicle model dot render buffer, or render to buffer. Vertex consumer. Let's comment that one out since we already have a vertex consumer. So they don't actually have a space there. That was just the what's it being funky. That fixes it. And then after that, math.lerp. So and then we just need to... Oh. Someone doesn't like that. I know lerp is a function. So you can just import that regardless. Let's take this. Oh wait, no, we definitely don't need that. That's just this. And okay, so the next thing we need is yep, we don't need this one either. So all we need is these. So however we lerp it. Interesting. Maybe it's just this? I know. I know why Roto is somewhere. I remember seeing this. Maybe it's in the error renderer? Yeah, right there. It's pentity.ywrote0. Maybe we can write the same thing? Okay, so the problem is that I made that L capital. Now that we got that, let's look back and make sure there's not something else. Maybe because it's not a 0. That's probably why. No. Let's try P entity. Nope. Okay, what's spear? Throne, spear, spear. So it should just be this. Or P entity, yeah. What the fuck? What's the difference? Is it a capital O? Weird. Okay. Just figured that out, and then... Well, surely it doesn't do it twice. Oh, it does. So it's just P entity again. I don't know why I did that. Control C, Control V. There. Now why doesn't it like that? Well, let's look back here. V, spear, Y, rotation, here dot minus 90f and then plus 90f. Strange. Mega B left a while ago. Sure, we'll do that. Alright, we'll see if that works. Kinda doubt it, but it might. Yep, it didn't. Alright. Well. Let's see what this guy did. There's a pose stack dot pop pose. Maybe that'll do something. Yeah, all that does is do the foil stuff. I don't care about that. Do we ever pass in the pose stack when we render it? Yep, and then we pop pose. Okay. We must be missing something. Maybe you just put this like right here. What the? So, let me take this one also and put that right there. Let's try that.
I didn't answer it.
Alright, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, you know, you heard the frog for a second. She's over here.
Frog. Ribbit.
Okay, so like it's almost working, but it's like not. I need to slow these things down. Okay, so they are rotating, it's just... Maybe it's the way I'm summoning them. Like, something's going weird. Sorry about that, I'm right back. She really wants pizza. Anyway. So... I think it has to do with the arrow code, like, messing it up. So if we go... not here. Icicle entity. Let's just get rid of the super.tick function right there. See what happens. It won't do anything, but it might keep its rotation. Which is what I want. Alright, so its rotation is completely freaking random. Why does it do that? Like, that is so weird. Like, why? It shouldn't have a random rotation. It should be just... Shoot. Okay. How do I get a rotation? I just want to make it look in the direction it's moving. So how do I do that? There has to be some like fancy math or something. I mean, surely I can't just do like this dot set this dot look at get look angle okay, well, anchor dot eyes get look angle. There's no way. Oh wait. Dude, let's set the delta movement, so like set delta movement 1 1 1. Actually, let's make it 0.5. Set it at 0.1 so I can see it moving. Have a chance to actually look at it. Well, we made it a little bit of progress. We know it can rotate, but we don't know why it rotates the way it does. Better than nothing. Of all the things I expected to have an issue with, that was not the one. Alright. They are jittering a bit. But maybe that's normal. I don't hate him shivering a bit. I think it's almost kind of cool. So what if I then do the super dot tick? Then what happens? So that is not the direction they're supposed to be looking at. Okay. Maybe instead of look angle, we do get delta movement. Because I realized look angle was definitely not the right thing to say. That might be it. I don't want to jinx myself, but that might have fixed it. Oh shit. I think it did. God damn it. Jinxed myself. Yeah, I gotta wait for the dumb cooldown. Well, what if I do like 111? No. New Vec 3 111. Give me some Plants vs. Zombies jazz. Okay, creator will actually do. Alright. And then if I set it to 555, it should be completely different. What did I just do? Insert, that's what it was. There, 555. So it's not working. Let's go ahead and just take everything in the tick function. All of it. Alright, so obviously somewhere it sets the rotation. Alright, well, looks like there's some things I obviously don't have access to. But it does appear that I don't need these. You know, Taco Man, or Taco King, same thing. You seem pretty unbiased in this opinion. Well... yeah, now that we have all this, let's just get rid of everything that mentions rotation. Every last one. Yep, let's get rid of all of this. Gone. Good. Alright, and then if we look here, yeah, the only one is that. So, now it might work. So we should look at wherever 555 is, which I think is like pointing directly at me from where I logged off. Not super sure. It might also just crash the game. You're quite rad and gnarly, you say. Wow, dude. Those are some fabulous adjectives. Alright. Hey. I think it worked. So now if I actually make it, get delta movement. Boom, boom. Boom. Boom, boom. I should be on American Idol, dude. I'm not super sure it works. Ugh. Okay, looks like I'm reading all of this. All right. I still don't know why, so we're going to do another... We're just gonna do a Band-Aid fix. Let's see if that works. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Ba 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 bum 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 bum. Ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 now now bum 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 ba now now ba 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 bum bum ba now now. Adding tacos to the game makes me cooler. You know, the Taco King. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like you kind of like tacos. Bum 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 bum. Completely unrelated, and they didn't even look like tacos. I don't know, man. I think you already got tacos in the game. You did it yourself. Just saying. Okay. So let's try making it just extend projectile. And then we import that class. And then implement methods. Bum 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 bum. It's not very cash money to have to rename a different food item to real taco. Okay. So how about we just do this? All right. There. And we're just gonna see what this does. Okay. It's just right there. Oh, this needs to say projectile. For racial diversity. Okay. Mr. Taco King? As much as I love your enthusiasm for tacos, I'm not going to add a taco for the sake of adding a taco. I deeply apologize. See, that's not the, no, that's not the direction they're moving. That's literally not the direction they're moving. That's not, nope. That's not it. That's not it. Sounds like racism. You know, already, go ahead. But you have to make sure it's also compatible with, the Valheim Spice of Life thing. That is definitely not the point of modding. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does too, but I just want to make sure. Alright, let's go into our fire entity here. And then what we're going to do is copy this. Go back into our icicle entity here. I made a whoopsies. There we go. And we can set delta movement to final trajectory. And then in the packet where we summon it, we're looking for Blizzard packet. We're gonna actually say set trajectory. There. Yeah, so Taco King, no, your original point was, the point of modding was to add things just because, not to enhance the game how you see fit. Now, I will enhance the game how I see fit, and that is the point of modding, but the way I see fit to enhance the game isn't by adding things just because. Therefore, I will not add tacos for the sake of tacos. I do not understand why it's not working. Perhaps I do not extend projectile. And I extend abstract arrow again. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, and yeah, the chat is pretty delayed. I thought delaying it just a bit more than the way it was delayed before would, like, help my latency, but it, didn't. And I keep forgetting to change it back. God damn it, that bitch. Did it just crash my game? What does that mean? Oh, it did not crash my game. And it looks like it refuses to move my entities again. Why on earth? A minute and a half? What the heck? Yeah, I gotta change that. That's awful, dude. Oh. Okay, so maybe this is just the wrong function. Let's not use that. So this dot set rotation will be get, whoops, delta movement dot x, and then get delta movement dot z. Okay, guess I'll just cast them both the floats. There, see how that works. Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what you call a dinosaur sensation. Barney's friends are big and small. They come from lots of places after school. They meet to play and sing W. Taco King, that was a valuable contribution. Thank you so much for telling us about Barney. I appreciate it deeply. Oh, and that is a gun. Okay. What the fuck? What even is that? Why did they do that? You'd kind of expect him to, like, move. Let's just not extend Abstract Arrow. At this point, I'm almost tempted to, like, extend Fireball. Let's just do it. Because somehow Fireball is getting me a million times more luck. And I think because of the way I overrided the tick function. Are those supposed to be my coordinates or something? Or are you just posting random coordinates? Oh, and I'm making, yeah, a new weapon. It's just supposed to be the thing that... Are you freaking serious? Dude, no way it does it like that. I refuse to believe that. Ugh. There. Okay, so... What was it? I don't got the time to figure it out. Tell me what it was. Okay. Penis-shaped island. That's it. Woman discovers penis-shaped island on Google Earth. Oh my god. I love humanity. Alright, so now it might actually work. Because I'm thinking about it. I never said this dot. Oh. Guess... God fucking damn it. Bum 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 bum. Ugh. Why? This should be working. I don't have a single reason why it wouldn't be. Ugh, this is rather frustrating. If thou doth not addeth the blessing known as a taco to this silly cuboidal game, I will become quite unnerved and expose your exact location to the world. Yeah, I don't believe you. Your text wasn't flamboyant enough. Go crazier. Be more British about it. Did that... Okay. So... maybe it's back in the renderer. Something we did in there that messed it up. Let's just... bum, 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 bum. I do say, if you ungrateful scallywag do not add the gift from the heavens themselves, known as a taco, then I shall have to commit an heinous crime upon innocent people and blame it on no other than you. Oh yeah? See what happens when I throw your tea in the ocean. Hey, isn't it... why isn't it moving, though? That's what I want to know. It's the exact same code. There's literally no difference. Well, obviously. But you're talking British, is what I'm saying. Make a taco mod? One that's not busted? Dude. Why aren't they moving? Wait. And now their function works, but it's just backwards. You can't be serious. You know what, Mr. Taco King? What if I make you a texture pack that replaces the texture of the enchanted golden apple with a taco? Would that work for you? Ooh. See, it works now. But the moving doesn't. Of all the things. Okay. See, they're just backwards. That's literally it. I don't know why they're backwards. Maybe I just need this super.tick function. I mean, that's gonna make it on fire. Maybe this dot on fire, stop fire. I don't remember where I did that. Did I do it in Common SD? Oh, I didn't even call. Okay, well, let's just go into... Wait, what do you mean? I don't want abstract hurting project. Just... Okay. Well, then I guess... Sure. Does that all work? You know, believe it or not, I would love to make the blue things go forward. That would be amazing if they did that. Okay. Now they move. Let's just see if that works. It's raining, she says. Why do they keep doing that? Like, motherfucker, just throw it away. Maybe. Me when your mom, me and your mom,
Me when you.
you when me. I fucking hate coding sometimes. Yeah, maybe later. Why is it doing this?
Because you coded it like that.
I didn't.
Yes,
This is
you
not
did.
how I've been coding it.
You coded
it's
it
doing
wrong,
this.
but you coded it like that.
Me when you. God damn it.
When you.
Fucking hate this. Why do it be like that though? I agree. Hell, you know what? Let's just take... Brother, I can't teach myself coding. I could not teach you how to code. I'm sorry. I do. But I don't feel like doing that. Oh, dude, I'd get cool points? That's crazy. I love me some cool points.
I'm gonna go get the pizza.
She's getting the pizza.
Bye-bye.
Bye. This one enchantment is setting me back big time. The one. I am so far behind schedule because of this enchantment. I am so pissed, dude. And it's not even for a good reason, too. It just doesn't work. Okay, well, great. It's facing the direction it's supposed to be, but it's not moving. Why isn't it moving? It's just not working, is all. I'm not excited for Malkuth Monday channel. Yeah. It would scare all the new people off. Be like, what the fuck is Malkuth Monday? You know, I think the current chat we have for it is great. Okay. Neat. Why did that fix it? So obviously we don't want that, right? We don't care about that. Maybe that'll fix it. I should do an age poll. Get my median age viewer. Man, I don't know. I didn't really think about it. The only thing I thought was that you're probably in, like, middle school. See ya. Alright, so that almost worked. And I have a theory that if I make that a negative number, it's going to rotate away from the motion. So this will make it, like, look the way it's supposed to. Well, congratulations. And if it looks the way it's supposed to, then I can program what it does when it hits an entity. And you know what? It might not look perfect, but it might be the best I get, because for some freaking reason, it's not working. So, you know, that's the thing it could do also. Why not? You know? Why not? It's pretty epic. Obviously didn't work. Didn't work. So, what are we gonna do? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna figure out how to rotate the entity to be actually facing the proper direction when it's rotating to where it needs to be. Because for some reason it's backwards, and I have no idea why, even though I actually Excuse me? There is not a single reason that wouldn't work. I'm going nuts. Why on earth? Why did it crash? The first time it crashed for literally no reason. What the fuck? Whatever. Let's just see if this. So it should go backwards, right? Or it would do that. Why not? You know? I think that's pretty cool. You know, that it would do that. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, you know what? Let's see what this is.
Oh.
Okay, so we're just gonna say this dot look at, then our anchor is going to be anchor dot feet. Right now we're just trying to get it to look in the right direction. That's literally it. That's literally it. This dot get delta movement. What? One please. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Thank you. He's so weird. Anyway. Sure. Let's just see if that suddenly works now for no freaking reason whatsoever.
Them bitches didn't even cut it.
They didn't cut the pizza? Weird. Alright, let's see if that works. No, it did not. Did not work. Okay. Let's try final trajectory. Let's see if that works. Thank you. But if the base is where you were looking when you spawn it, then what's the point? What do you mean? Okay, guess it's crashing the game now. It looks like it worked best when I told it to just look towards the motion. But I want it to just like do it instantly. I don't think that worked. Just to make sure. What the fuck? Yeah, so that's not working either. It's like, why would it? Alright, there. Now we can just steal this code. Yeah, we'll just take this. Why not just make the model a spike, then there's need? What? What do you mean? Oh, that's what you were saying. Yeah, but that's not as fun. I'd rather it be like this. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna kind of doubt it, but it might. Oh, I'll beat the deadline. What you want, Rady? Ray, I feel like if I say that name, you're gonna hit me with something. That was kind of interesting looking. It made most of them face the right direction. I don't know why, but it did. What if I do this? Oh, Brady got me. That's crazy, bro. Yep, that didn't work. I don't know why multiplying it by -1 does that, but I guess it does. Allow me to be real, folks. I have no idea how this works. At all. This is from Hollow Knight. City of Tears. What on earth? What could it mean? Making me feel like, what the fuck? I have just no clue. I have no clue what any of this is. But I guess it works most of the time. You cast Mend Butt Crack now, do you? See, it even faces north. But I guess it's just not supposed to face north. So let's go ahead and remake ice there, because I didn't save it last time I did that. And now let's just rotate it. To be like that. Now it's facing the exact wrong direction, but for some reason it's right. Now we're gonna call it new ice, and then we're just gonna look at what the file says that we know what to edit. Let's just take this And then, what did I make that offset? 13? Probably need to make it like 15. There. That should work. Most of the icicles should work. And then, like, every once in a while, one of them just won't. Because it's like that, I guess. I can't believe it, dude. Like... You can't be serious. I just successfully rotated them. I gotta wait for that cooldown to finish. I literally just rotated them. I rotated the whole damn thing. And it's still not working? Okay. Well... Well... I think what we need to do is let's do this first. See if that works. I guess. See what happens when I do that, huh? Quirksicle is real, dude. Why must it do this to me, dude? Like, honestly. I did look at how arrows do it, and arrows didn't help at all. If anything, they made it worse. Why the fuck did that fix it? Just tell me why. Why did that... Okay. You know what? if it works, it works. That's all I need to know. It ain't... Why? How did that fix it? That shouldn't have fixed it. And then every once in a while there's like the straggler, but that fixed it. That literally fixed it. It had literally no reason to have fixed it. It genuinely makes zero sense that it did. But I guess that's just the fun of computers. God damn it, dude. What the heck? This shit's crazy, dude. Alright, well, I think the last of it is just a simple... public static boolean... Darn. Actually, we'll make it an integer. Integer darn. And he will equal 0. And then in there, if darn is greater than or equal, greater than 0, then this will be the freezing code. Minecraft.getInstance.player dot set delta movement. I don't feel like it's not slow enough. Like, you can still move. Set speed 0. I kind of think that's not gonna work. But it's worth a shot. And then we can make a new Java class. And then we're gonna say, Blizz shot server to client packet. My first server to client one. So we'll just shit. Actually, I don't think we need that. Yeah, what we can do is icicle entity, right? And then right here we're gonna say on hit entity. Right, we're gonna say, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go p result dot get entity dot hurt, and then get owner. We're gonna say this dot get owner dot damage sources dot player attack this dot get owner. Well, obviously it's gonna be a player. The expected 2 arguments, but only found 1. Oh. Well, I didn't like that. That's what you want next. What do you mean you want a player? That's better. Okay. So we're gonna say it does 6 damage. Okay. And then we're gonna say p results dot get entity dot something about a tag. Okay. Maybe we give it NBT data. That didn't help. How about we what? Okay. What the f- Okay. Sure. We need to tell it. We need to call a function for that specific entity. How do we do that? Because this is literally all we need in order for it to work. That's literally all that's left. All I need to do is communicate to this entity what's going on. Need to tell the entity, hey, ya shithead, you gotta stop moving, bitch. That's all I gotta do. This is all I gotta tell it. This must be a function I can call. Okay, you know what, actually? We'll do this. I think we can make, a public static void Yowzers, right? And then in Yowzers, we're gonna say that it needs to pass in. What's it passing in? An entity. A living entity. And we're gonna call it P entity. Alright. Now we can call Yowzers. And then we're actually going to say if P entity equals Minecraft.getInstance.player. I need a second equals there. If it equals the Minecraft.getInstance.player, then what we're going to do what are we doing? We're setting darn equal to 5. And then right here we minus darn. Actually, hell, set it to like 20 so that we can notice it. 200 actually. That way we really know. And then back in our packet here, we're gonna say Blizzard enchantment dot Yowzers, and then we're going to pass in P result dot get entity. It's perfect. Test argument living in there. Okay, perfect. So it looks like the freezing effect will only work on players. I don't know if I want it to be like that. Skip that one. Probably because we never set an owner. That's why. Bum, 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 bum. 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 So, actually, we can just say player. And then, damn it. How do we pass in both? Because this will be a problem. We can't communicate enough information. Well, huh. Actually, we can still do this. So, what we actually want to do here is go up into Blizzard here. And then this will be a public static vec3 new look. Well, what's the problem? Why not? Dot new look. There. That should work. I think. Yeah, it does, right? I mean, in Blizzard Enchantment, actually, we were going to need to make a get look. And then in here, we're going to say new look. Equals. We're passing a vec3 vec3. What do you mean that's not a statement? This new look? What? Oh. There we go. Alright, and then back in here, we're actually going to say... Get look. There we go. And then we want to take all this, Control X, and we're going to say player, and then that vec3. There. Okay. I feel like I've just like activated big brain mode. Like I feel like I just know. For some reason, things are clicking really well right now. So now that we have that set to the player, actually, we need to rename this to set look. There. And then back in the Blizzard enchantment, we need a change this to get look. And then we don't want a vec3 anymore. We only want an entity. And we're going to say return new look. And then, yeah, we gotta say else return null. Okay. And then I think next thing we need to do is actually make this private. Yep, and that shouldn't make any problems. So now in the Icicle entity, now we can finally use getLook to set its trajectory. And then we're gonna say this dot get owner. Right, cast that to a living entity. There we go. And then oh, I see what I did now. We need to go back in here. We need to say vec3. There we go. actually a problem? No, there's not. It's definitely not going to be null, because I just declared that it wasn't null. So... well, that should work. Now it should have an owner, and it should move in the direction. Or the correct direction, most specifically. It might even, like, follow the method, or follow the direction you're looking. Which would be interesting, but I'm not super sure I want it to do that. Or it just doesn't move. Well, that's rather unfortunate. All right, well, let's just make it only ask for an entity. Maybe that'll work. No, it fucking doesn't. Oh. Well, let's try this again. Perhaps now it'll work this time? That looks like no. Well... so I'm performing a bad cast. But where am I doing that? Well, sounds like it's in here. Probably because I shouldn't be casting that. And then... let's see if this works. Yeah, the icicles did work fine before, but I need to give them an owner. Or else it doesn't work. And now that I need to give them an owner, I can't set both their trajectory and their movement in the same line of code. So now I had to make like a million new functions just so that I could set their owner. Damn it. Okay, there's a million that say null. And there's a million that say me. So why on earth... Yeah, because that's me right there. And then they say no. And then they say me again. And then they say no. Ugh. Well, obviously this didn't work. So let's just set it all back to final trajectory, because this isn't working. And then we have to go back into Wizard client to server packet. And here we're just gonna hit. Okay. Just gonna hit this. We're not gonna say set owner, we're going to say set trajectory to that. There. Hello, Daniel. What do you mean, can I get on Java? Alright, so... that should make their movement work again. Oh wait, I think... yeah, no, that'll make their movement work again. Okay, or not. Oh, because it doesn't like that. It doesn't have an owner now. So... maybe... let's just call it magic. I like magic. Why? Icicle entity cannot be cast at class living entity. Where did I cast it to living entity? Oh. Well... Entity dot hurt. This dot damage. Blah blah blah. Nah. So that is the one that is getting hit. So maybe we just... Oh. Let's try this again. All right. This should be it. All right. Well, I think I need to take that print line out of there. So I'm pretty sure they just said no the whole time. I don't have an owner. So that was too annoying to code. Let's see what happens when I summon all the icicles in survival mode. Because something tells me it's just gonna kill me. Alright, let's go over here. Yep. Is it the same deal with the flamethrower? No, it's... Oh. I guess I somehow accidentally hit myself. Not super sure how. So let's put Blizzard back on. Okay, so it looks like you can sometimes hit yourself, but like it's not completely likely. Actually. So I can still move when I get hit. Set the spawn. See, as much as I would love to do that, Zen, that would be really hard. I wish the math were that simple, but it's not. And you only really get hit with your own projectiles if you're moving forward, left, or right. And I guess I could see that being a problem. But, I don't know. Yeah, it definitely would be, though. See, it just won't damage it to owner. If I can get its owner... Maybe, if this dot get owner equals null. Why doesn't it like that? Oh, probably because I need a second equals. This dot get owner. No, that wouldn't work because sometimes it doesn't damage you. Maybe I just summon it above your head. How does it notice summon at the player? Oh, wait, I remember. Yep, and then we can just say... +1. There. That'll solve the self-hurting issue. And then it'll be like you summoned it above your head. Because that's probably cool. You know what? And it would make it so that you can see while you shoot. Okay. Well, obviously that didn't work. Let's try 1.5. Or 2. Alright. Not bad. Now the question is it impossible to aim? Definitely not. Yeah, it's not like that bad. Alright, cool. Alright, well, I have another trick up my sleeve. Since that's obviously not going to work. So let's do p result dot get entity dot effect add Okay, we're gonna do a living entity living equals p result dot get entity. But we're going to say if p result dot get entity is or instance of living entity, say living dot add effect new mob effect instance. We're gonna say mob effect dot mob effects dot movement slowdown, and we're gonna give it like duration, we'll say half a second, and the amplifier, okay, maybe 1 second, and then for the amplifier we're going to give it 10. There. I can't super guarantee this is gonna work, but it's probably worth a shot. And if this works, then we've made the Blizzard enchantment at long last. I am so sick of making this enchantment. Doesn't look like it has it. We're going to do system dot out dot print line that there, and then it'll tell me either true or false. And if it ever says true, I know it's running that code. In theory, it should say true every single time. Zinth, I promise you, it's not that easy to do. Come on. Just waiting for the cooldown. Oh, okay. So it does run it. So let's just increase that. Make sure it's really applying it. Yep, definitely applying it. There. So getting hit by these things would be pretty bad. Especially if you're not wearing armor, you'll just get melted. Ugh. It finally works, dude. I can't believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Finally, I get to end the stream. Thank you all for attending. Finally have the stupid Blizzard enchantment done. Hopefully the rest will be easier. Have a great day. Bye-bye.